following contest is a ladder match and is for the WWE Universal Championship. Making his way to the ring from Vancouver, British Columbia.
As we get ready here, let me just say that I don't ever recall feeling a more electric atmosphere for a ladder match. Have you, Byron?
Well, Michael, as the great Gorilla Monsoon would have said, you can cut the electricity with a knife right now inside this arena.
It's one of Mexico's top stars, El Mago.
And his opponents, first, from Mexico, weighing in at 241 pounds, El Mago.
Oh, my Spanish is a little rusty. Hey, guys, what does El Mago mean?
I believe it translates to the magician.
That's perfect. Hopefully after the match, El Mago can make Saxton disappear.
It's one of Japan's hottest superstars, Cole Quinn.
And introducing the challenger from Orlando, Florida, weighing in at 210 pounds, Cole Quinn.
This is a man who has not only had great success on the indie scene here in the U.S., but who has also developed a sizable international following in Japan.
Yeah, Cole Quinn has been on management's radar for a while, and after going through some growing pains, trying to figure out his persona, it looks like he might be ready to compete at the highest level in WWE.
And from Vancouver, British Columbia, weighing in at 139 pounds, he is the WWE Universal Champion, the best, Akira the Devil Edwards.
Up next is the one we've been waiting for, guys, the ladder match.
Michael, this match is the absolute definition of high risk, high reward, especially considering the height of those ladders and what the winner gets to walk away with at the end of this.
Plenty on the line here in this huge, fatal four-way match.
Clearly on a mission here. Now back to the ring. God, what a stiff shot. And right on the mark. That'll have you worrying about long-term injuries for sure. Getting nailed with a strike like that lets you know just what kind of fight you're in. so painful.
One move after the other. It's devastating.
A knockdown, drag-out brawl, complete with a big stomp.
Take cover. You could call this a good old-fashioned butt-whooping. That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt tomorrow.
A concerned look on the face of the champ.
Many see him as one of the greatest champions of this era. Tonight is his chance to prove it. He'll be feeling the effects of that for a while.
Just a vicious bulldog. Well, there's the enziguri.
Jeez.
Man, that got him good. He landed a perfectly placed strike. That'll send a message to your adversary, all right. He's trying to mangle his face here. A win here would be a bit of a surprise.
Shock.
Oh, I think this man means business. Just look at this man. He's all business. Byron, looks like that ladder is perfectly placed.
Hey, you can't ask for a much better spot than that.
That's how you make an impact.
The champ's on the defensive now.
Making matters worse, she's got not one, but three guys looking to destroy him here tonight.
Sure, he's taking some punishment here, but given how much he prefers to be on the outside of the ring, he can very well change the outlook of the match with one shot.
The champ's absorbing some offense here.
Nice. This is a level of destruction no one was expecting. This is not good. He's inflicting some serious pain here. And again, unbelievable.
You don't see that every day.
The champ's starting to sweat.
He looks incredibly motivated, though. Don't expect him to be down for long. The champ on the defensive now. He needs to find a way to get on the offensive, guys.
Looks to me like he's on Dream Street right now, fellas. That's not a place you want to be when you're in the ring with these three guys.
Guys, I wasn't anticipating this type of performance from him tonight. He's starting to look a little lost in there right now.
Punishing blow to the head. Look at this. Ooh!
Isn't showing much life here, guys.
The champ looking a little uneasy here. He'll need to find a way to create some space if he wants to win this fatal four-way match. Starting to struggle. Just look at this man. He's all business. Look out! Tough spot here for the champ. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Starting to struggle. He's fighting from underneath. This guy's a machine. Not so fast. Not today.
He is a one-man gang in there.
The champ in defensive mode here.
Nice neck breaker.
He's fighting from underneath. He's looking at it here, guys. Victory just a few inches away. Heading up the ladder now.
This could be the beginning of the end.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in. Look at this. Looks like the champ is starting to crack. His championship reign may very well be holding on by a thread. And he's heading back in. Great move. Climbing up, guys. Here we go.
Oh, boy. Isn't showing much life here, guys.
Rough spot for him here. The champ is in a bad way here. He may not even know where he's at this point, which is not a good look when your championship is on the line. Now he lands the strike with great accuracy. Oh, and here we go. Oh, now. Here it is. Oh, and here he goes. Oh, wow. Oh, this could be it, guys. The champ being pushed to the brink. This is an incredibly bad spot for him to be in here in this four-way match.
Let's not write him off yet. Remember, his opponent isn't necessarily whistling Dixie either.
Look out. Choke bomb.
Get this guy some smelling salts.
Oh, watch out.
When this guy's on, look out. Back to the ring again. This might be it.
Oh, my. That has got to be it.
He's fighting from underneath.
Ow, that hurt.
You can't put a price tag on landing that perfect strike, and that nailed him. Oh, here we go. We're witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described as severe. Looks as though the champ has run out of gas. You have to wonder how much longer he can go on like this.
I don't think he can take any more. He isn't showing much life here, guys.
This kind of offense he's known for. Oh, I think this man means business.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Nice move. Rough spot for him here.
Get this guy some smelling salts. This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not.
Brought in the hard way.
Looking at it here. Incredible! Amago connected with a match-ending move.
Wow. That's how you put an exclamation point on a match.
He's inflicting some serious pain here.
I don't think he can take any more.
He looks for it once again.
Incredible! Amago connected with a match-ending move.
Wow. Gotta like the champ's chances now. In WWE, there's as much chaos outside the ring as there is inside the ring.
Try working with Saxton at ringside. Oh my God, guys. Look at this.
Don't do this.
Sunset powerbomb does its job. Starting to struggle. Getting the ladder set up.
Right in the center of the ring, a picture-perfect location.
He's fighting from underneath.
Reaching up, this could be it. It's got to be hard to rebound from that one.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
The human body can only absorb so much of that.
He's fighting from underneath. He's fighting from underneath.
Rough spot for him here.
And look at the quickness by Cole Quinn.
Wow. What's he going to do with it? Oh, man. He's in full control now.
He's fighting from underneath.
That's a great example of a highly efficient and highly effective strike. What placement.
Isn't showing much life here, guys.
Watch this here. Got it. Going to the top here, guys.
Looking to finish it.
Nicely executed. So damaging. You have to possess a different type of focus to punish an opponent like this.
Get this guy some smelling salts.
Starting to struggle. Now that's the type of move that sends a message to an opponent.
Isn't showing much life here, guys.
Here is your winner and the new WWE Universal Champion,